This is a really delicious vegetarian curry. It's full of vegetables, but also has beans, which I think is super important for people who are looking for some vegetarian options. I'm going to use our Keralan coconut curry today. Now this is really one of our best sellers, and it's because the layers of flavors are so delicious. They're mellow and coconutty, but they actually go with everything, which is really great. So here we have mustard seeds. We always have a chili in case you want to spice it up. I obviously want to spice it up. So in hot oil, in goes my chili, my mustard seeds, and some curry leaves. They need a bit of roasting, but if you overcook them, they turn bitter. So this is the time to kind of keep an eye on it. Mustard seeds are particularly easy because when they start popping, you know that they're getting there. And you can already smell they're becoming aromatic. So straight in with other vegetables to cool the pan down. So I've got some peppers and some green beans, but you really can add whatever you have in the fridge. So give this a bit of a stir. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. So the beans have been cooking for a bit, so I'm going to add my sauce. So the flavors of Kerala are really delicious. So Kerala is known mostly for its coconuts. This particular sauce is one of their favorites, and they'll use it with vegetables, with chicken, with fish. So it's one of those really wonderful, very versatile curries. And then I'll put in my cannellini beans, some cherry tomatoes, and I've just got some spinach leaves here which I've shredded. Now add in again as much or as little as you want. I'm going to add a little bit of water in. Then now you just need to let it simmer just for a couple of minutes for all those wonderful flavors to harmonize and come together and for everything to finish cooking through. So an under 20-minute curry, all natural and really tasty. So we've cooked a vegetarian curry, but it doesn't have to be. I love getting really creative in the kitchen. I've done a really delicious chicken tray bake here where I've got some potatoes and some kale. And here for the fish gratin, we've got really wonderful fish and we've got some spinach, and then we've got some breadcrumbs on top, so it's really lovely and crunchy, and the whole thing's just delicious and juicy.